Hi! To remove the old AirPod cushions on HyperX Cloud II Wireless gaming headphones, simply pull the pads off. They are held onto the headphones with the help of a small groove. Once both AirPods are removed, take the new replacement AirPods. The link to them is in the video description. To make it easier to put the AirPods back on, stretch the edge of the pads slightly. This will make the pad install the process easier. Insert as much of the AirPod edge into the headphones groove as possible. Hold the insert section in place to prevent it from slipping out, and use your other hand to pull the remaining edge of the pad into groove. Continue doing this until the entire edge of the AirPod is put in the headphones groove. Finally, rotate the AirPod slightly to ensure it fits into place. After that, repeat the same steps for the other AirPod on the other side. The task isn't difficult, but it has been challenging enough for some make them consider calling the crisis hotline. If you have any questions or tips, feel free to share them in the comments below the video.